Hello, I'm Andrew Bell and I provide both online and paper-based project management case study activities which relate back to the project management academic theories. They are designed for further education and higher education and lecturers, trainers and educators who need to teach online, hybrid or in the classroom. These activities can free up your time so you spend less time developing course material. They lead to increased student engagement and increased student satisfaction. The activities also lead to a deeper understanding of project management topics. I'm a chartered project professional and a senior fellow of the Higher Education Authority. I provide everything that you need. For the paper-based simulation, these are ready to go on quality glossy paper, provided in a solid plastic case. I provide a USB stick with PowerPoint files for the introductions and PDFs of all of the documents. The one-off fee is for complete ownership. These activities can be used many times by your different cohorts, providing a great payback over the years. The activities typically last 1 hour. I provide free UK shipping. The online simulations, every student has their own individual log on for access. There's free access for academics, just drop me an email. Immediate and unlimited use can be completed in 30 to 40 minutes. The students do these activities at a time that suits them. If you're interested in these activities for your project management training, please do contact me, andrew@ablesim.com. Thank you.